How to view and edit a recipe. Your menu for the day is displayed on both the My Menu page and the Home page. Here you will see serving portions under each food or recipe. This recipe has 1 of 4 servings listed, which means the recipe makes 4 servings, and your planned serving of that recipe is 1. Now select the recipe you would like to view or edit by clicking the pencil icon. An overview of the recipe, including the prep, cook, and total time, along with the link to the source, will be displayed at the top of the recipe card. Other options are to view nutrients, compare and replace, or remove the recipe from your My Menu. Let's begin editing this recipe. You may be making this meal for additional people and want to adjust the recipe. To do so, use plus or minus to modify the number of servings you would like to make. The ingredients needed adjust accordingly, and when you save, your shopping list will automatically update. My servings is what you plan to eat. If you would like to change this amount, use the plus or minus, then save. The nutrients for your modified servings will now be calculated and reflected in your daily menu totals. Please note, making too many changes to your servings could result in a menu that does not meet your nutrition goals or requirements, and you will receive an over daily caloric target warning. To customize a recipe, click on its pencil icon. Let's add walnuts to the parfait. Begin by clicking the Add Ingredient button. Type walnuts in the search box, then select from the database by clicking on the food. Next, specify the ingredient portion and add to save. You will now see walnuts in the recipe. To modify the portion amount of an ingredient, click the Edit pencil icon and adjust using plus or minus, and then save your edit. If you would like to replace an ingredient, for example, swap the blueberries you have on hand for the strawberries listed in the recipe, click the Strawberries pencil icon and enter blueberries in the search box. Then select your preferred blueberries. Next, specify the ingredient portion. You can compare nutrients between the two options before you replace it by clicking the Compare button. Click back, then click Replace to finalize your selection, and the edits to your recipe will be updated. You've made edits to your My Menu that put you outside your daily caloric target. You can utilize the Rebalance Day with My Changes feature to rebalance your serving sizes to meet your caloric target.